Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Marquita Braids. I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to do Invisilocs on natural hair. So we just start with 3 simple sections in the back. Right here, I'm just going to show you the method and how I do it. You take one of those sections, you split it into 2 with some edge cream, and you're just rolling it. You start from the top of that section, rolling towards the middle, rolling towards the end, and you just keep twisting and twisting. If you see here, I'm flipping the hair over because I'm making one big roll as I'm coming down. And you keep the tension on this entire roll as you're coming down. And then you're going to take this one little clip and clip it onto an existing one so it doesn't unravel, because it can easily unravel. Now with the second half of this section, you're going to roll the same direction that you rolled the previous lock. And they call it locks. It looks like Invisilocs, but you're just rolling it so it looks like a lock. So what you're going to do is take that first section and overlap it to the second section. If you see it right here, we're just overlapping and twisting at the same time. If you're not twisting while you're overlapping, then it's not going to get a nice uniform roll. It's going to look clumpy, it's going to look ununiformed and out of place. So you just keep going all the way down until you get to the end. And then I just secured it with rubber bands at the end. I didn't have any light brown rubber bands, so I just used black rubber bands. Then I hit it with some mousse. And I use mousse because I want all the flyaways to lay down. And once I put the mousse on her entire head, even the ends, you got to focus on the ends as well, because the ends can have a lot of flyaways as well. Don't feel like you're using too much mousse. This is more than enough mousse. Actually, she needed a little bit more mousse for the ends as well, which I did. And then after I finished moving down the mousse, I put a do-rag on top, and then I blow dried it until it was dry. Once it was dry, I removed the do-rag, and I let her keep the do-rag. I don't reuse my do-rags unless, I had washed it or something. But this is brand new, and I give away a lot to my clients. But this is the final look. And this is very inexpensive. I'm a very reasonable hairstylist. If you would like to book with me, I'm in the Dallas area, located in Deep Ellum. There's no deposit required to book, but I will put all of the information in the description below. But this is no hair added.